Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair. This is a very quick functionality proof video for a customer who sent an SC board, TNPA5351 or 5335, my bad. That should be their signature, hopefully, RJ. Richard Jelliffe. And because the board was sent to us without the buffer boards and we don't know whether they work or not, I want to make sure that the customer can see that the board is in working order before we send it back, and that should be enough. They either work or they don't work. As usual, we replaced all groups, sustain, energy recovery, transistors, even though many of them were not shorted on this particular board. We clean up the solder joints. And this is all. If there are problems, you should know that they're not coming from this board. This has been on for 20 minutes maybe, like this. And that's it. Good to go. Thank you.